Okay guys, so today I will be doing my lashes. I just want to get all groomed up because I've been in the bed, you know, under the weather. I like to do like individual lashes because I kind of feel like they kind of look like extensions. So I like to go in and use these. Now these is the ones that I really love. I like to go in and use like the extra long. I like mine really thin, so you know, when I go outside, people always say, hey, who did your lashes or who did your eyelash extensions? And these really just be the individuals. So I'm going to be using these. I only use one pack, like half of them, because I like mine very thin, and I like to go underneath my lashes. So I want to try to do these. I was going to get some like tape to just have these up. Then I also got my tweezers. I usually just use this box right here. These are the individuals that I like to use. I really like to use the long ones. I only use like one box on both of my eyes. I did buy two. I usually like to just take them out one by one and then put them on my hand, like right here. So that's what I probably do. Probably just go ahead and put these on one by one. And I like mine very thin. I found my little bitty mirror that I'm gonna use. So I like to just go underneath my eyes. And I am going to continue the process because I'm just gonna look up. And while I'm putting it under there, I'm not gonna put them closer together. So I'm just gonna tap it with my glue. And I'm just gonna go underneath my lashes. And I like to just leave it there. See, as you guys can see, it's not very close together, so I like to just do it like that because that gives me a way to make it look like eyelash extensions. So I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna be talking because I kind of feel like you guys just wanna see how I do it, so I don't necessarily put them closer to my eyelids, and I just like to just put them like halfway on there, just like putting extensions on. But this is the only thing is I'm using hair glue, so I am going to continue to do this. See, I like mine like very natural. And it's like you don't see any type of thing sticking out. See how long they are? You can't tell that these are like eyelash individuals. You can actually like think that these are eyelash extensions. Some people do use these. I honestly think that some people use these, and I like these. I like to use these better because they're more comfortable and they're not hard. So I like to just use these. So I'm going to continue to do this. I'm going to go over here, lift my eyes up, and I am going to put it underneath the eye lid. I kind of feel like this is very, very easy to put it underneath the eye because it's more comfortable like that. And you can just lay them any type of way you want. I like to lay mine like they're more of a curly type of lash. I don't like to go in and fill them all the way right here on my eyes because it really irritates your eyes right there. So I like to just make them natural as possible because, you know, it gives it that. Probably just start right here where the other eyelash is. Okay, so now that I'm done, these are the finished look. And I like them to be like all the same size. So I did use one box and half and half on both the eyes. And this is how it look. It don't really look as long as I thought because I like extra long lashes. But they look cute. They're all blending out and they're all the same size, and I like them like this. Really cute. It's actually comfortable because the glue sits like on the top of the eye since I put it underneath the eye. So it's more comfortable like this, putting it under your lashes. And that's just something I like. It's really comfortable. It's not snugging my bottom lash. It's not snugging the bottom lashes. And it's not like really full. And I like that about these lashes so much. Comment down below if you guys like this video, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. So as you guys can see, I'm done with my lashes. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel, and make sure you guys are turning on you guys notifications so you won't miss another video that I post. I'm actually excited. I did groom myself up. I did my eyebrows. I need to arch them, but I honestly think that I don't want to arch my eyebrows anymore because I kind of like the shape of my eyebrows anyway. So I'm not gonna, you know, mess with them like that. But I actually like this lash look. This was like my first time putting them on camera. So I was kind of nervous because I didn't want to get any glue on the top of the eye. But I think I did a good job. If you guys like me doing like eyelash extensions, I kind of feel like with the eyelash extensions, it gives you that natural eye on your eyelids. And plus, it's not that thick, as you guys can see. It's not that thick on the eyes, and I actually like it like that because it don't make your eyes heavy. Like, that's just something I don't like. And then like with the glue on your eyes, it's like sitting on top of the eyelid. But I kind of just like this lashes. I usually put strips on, but I wanted to just air my eyes out. And these are the ones that I use right here. And these are the Ardell lashes, and I like these. They have small and they have medium. The medium look like a small as well. I like these large, long lashes, like extra long. They was very easy to put on, and they're so full to the point that you don't really have to put any on top, but I did anyway. So these are something that I like. I mean, you don't necessarily have to use these. They have different types ones, and I like these. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.